Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cute Mess. Firstly, I would like to thank you for watching our previous video, which was the first one. It was an overwhelming response, and just because of your support, we are making another video. I hope you like it. So let's start. Kiran, what is this?
This is jug with water.
Jug with water. Yes. So today we are going to learn about buoyancy and density. And here we have some objects. Let's see whether it's going to sink or float. Okay, so let's start with some easy ones. Some heavy stones. Peter, are you going to put some stones in it? Okay. Wow, see, they sink. It means they are pretty dense and heavy and they are not buoyant. This also means that rocks are heavier than water for the same amount of space. That's why they sink to the bottom. Now we have different kinds of wall. One which is hollow from inside and the other one is not showing. It's not. Let's see what happens to them. Here, now we have some beautiful yellow flowers and we know what's going to happen, but let's see. As they are very light in weight. So we have some couple of things from our home. Okay, that's a paste, toothbrush, a showpiece and a lemon. Let's see how it goes. And for Buddhaji, we need to make some space in a small jug. Let's take out the lemon as well. Heavy. That's why it's going down. So that's our last experiment. Some housey coins. They are very light. Very light. Let's see what happens and you'll be amazed to see. So in the end, today we learned that things which are heavier than water with the same amount of space are going to sink. And things which are lighter than water are going to float. I hope you like our video on buoyancy and density. And for many such fun learning videos, please like,
Share
and subscribe to our channel. Cute Mess!